Today's project, why is my filament dryer making a noise? Well, after getting bottom off here and getting these 4 screws off, this whole unit will lift up, and I found this little guy down in there. I don't know, I think it's a piece of the dryer somewhere in there or something, but it doesn't look like filament that fell in there from my printing. I'm not really sure, but if you guys hear your dryer kick on and it's making a weird noise, it's most likely the vibration of these fans. There's one right here, there's one right there, and there's another one on the side. So if you get this trifecta pulled up here, you most likely will find something underneath there that's causing that noise. And it's pretty easily to disassemble and then reassemble. Just some screws. We're going to put the back lip.